Losing 239 bucks trading Tesla. What's going on, guys? Welcome on in to a new trade recap. And yes, we have taken a loss. For everyone who wishes me to lose, here you go. You've got your wish on the day. We lost 238.68 trading Tesla, $66 in the 10K account, 172 in the 25K account. Pretty small loss. Relatively speaking, small loss. The average winner, I think, this month has been 252. Average loss, 166. And that's averaging the bigger and the smaller accounts. Okay, whatever. So let's get into it. This trade, to be honest with you, I would take this 100 times if I saw it 100 times. Not much. It's a beautiful situation, I think. Let me add volume back on the bottom. I think I took volume off for a second before. So you essentially, it was on the 4-hour time frame. You could say it was the daily time frame as well, a little bit cleaner, but same thing. You really had a nice, Tesla obviously in an uptrend past couple weeks. Okay, cool, great. You had put in this relative high here, nice pullback, push back up, and then just chop. And I'm like, okay, that's all right. So I toss an alert on the 349.50 level. We break that. We get a better volume day on the break relative to the past couple. So I'm like, okay, good. We kind of get a push. We gap up this morning and then just proceed to sell off the entire day. So I'm like, all right, that's not great. Let's get out. And it did end up taking me out. It would have hit stop anyway. But I got out a little bit before the stop because I said on the stream, I was like, yo, I just don't want to be in it. Like, there's no way in hell I'm holding this one overnight. So there's no, we're so close to my stop. This is like an overnight gap down risk type of situation. And if that's the case, then I'm going to lose more than I originally planned. So let's not do that. Take the L earlier. And I did. So that's it. Other than that, dude, it's really it's very simple. The reason why I would take this trade a million times is because Tesla, usually good bets, good volume, momentum for sure. Putting in an uptrend, give me a consolidation, a break with higher volume, really close to a recent high. What tends to happen, or what could happen, is we break that high and have boom, the momentum comes in. And what ended up happening here was we hit that high and rejected beautifully, at that exact spot. So pretty much to the cent almost, reject, got almost halfway to our target, and then boom, hammer down, which is, okay, whatever it is, what it is. If it didn't happen, if we blasted through this, boom, we could have smashed right through the target. So that's the situation. That's the trade. Nothing crazy. We are now looking at a month where we're up just shy of $1,700. We have a 66.67% win rate, which is pretty good. And it's all tracked on TradeZella. I will mention this. I'll probably mention this throughout the week if I have more recaps to do. I don't have any as of right now that are pressing, but I should mention this now. This is the time, if you're ever going to buy shit, okay, TradeZella up to 50% off, pretty damn good deal. TradingView, where I do all my charting, that's this right here, if you're not familiar, they're doing up to 70% off plus a free month. You could kind of buy extra time on these. So what I tend to do is during these types of sales, I will buy extra time on my plans at a cheaper price. So it'll just push out my subscription to the next renewal point, however long I buy out. So it's worth it because if you already use these things or see the value in these tools, then it's worth it. If you do not, okay, then don't fucking bother. Don't. If you don't see value in them, you don't think you're going to use them, don't do it. Don't pay for shit you don't need. But I use these things, and so this is the time of year to do it. If you ever use my affiliate link, I get a commission. You save money. I appreciate if you ever do that, but you don't have to. That's it. I do not make a lot of money off those. They're very nice, and I appreciate it when I get them. But that's the reality. That's the recap, and I will see you guys in the next trade recap, or if there's no recaps until the end of the month, at the monthly recap. So see you then. Enjoy your Thanksgiving if I don't make a video until then. Peace.